soak your glasses in water. It turns out to be powerful and solves a big problem for many people. If you wear glasses for a long time, try it quickly. I believe that friends who wear glasses also have a problem of fogging lenses. Sometimes this problem occurs after wearing for a long time. If you accidentally touch the lens with your hand, it will leave fingerprints and oil stains, which will also make the lens blurred and easily scratched. If you take it to replace it, it is also a waste of money. This is not a small problem. If the second pair of eyes cannot see clearly, it will be really troublesome. And once the lenses are foggy, cleaning them is really difficult. You will find that just wiping them with clean water is not effective. Today, I will share with you a good way to clean glasses and make them clearer. This method is really effective. First, squeeze a little toothpaste onto the lens. Then drop a drop of dishwashing liquid onto each lens. Then slowly spread toothpaste and dish soap evenly on both the inside and outside of the lenses. Where are you from? Please leave a comment to let me know. It's nice to know that we see each other all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's great to see your support. Then use your index finger and thumb to cushion each other gently. Knead several times clockwise and counterclockwise. Everyone says that improper cleaning of eyeglass lenses will cause them to peel faster. If the lens is greasy and cloudy, you can't see clearly. At that time, you can only dilute the detergent and apply it to it. Do not use soap, hand sanitizer, body wash, etc. Because these are acidic and alkaline substances, they will cause minor scratches on the lenses. In fact, we just need to find the most common stuff at home and apply it on the lenses of our glasses. In this way, the scratches can easily disappear. Using toothpaste can repair scratches on glasses. Although most eyeglasses lenses are made of plastic, they imitate glass, so we can try to repair them too. Toothpaste can heal small scratches because it contains an abrasive ingredient that helps remove tooth stains, which is titanium oxide with very fine particle size. It can be considered a polishing agent, which can smooth out small scratches through repeated friction. Of course, it is best to use white non-gel toothpaste, especially in small sizes. Toothpaste containing baking soda is the best for removing scratches. Here's a quick tip to avoid hurting your wallet. Rub gently for about a minute. Now we prepare a basin of water. Put the glasses in the water and soak for a while. What's so great? It turns out that the oxygen molecules dissolved in water will form an extremely thin oxygen film on the surface when in contact with water. This oxygen film can effectively prevent water droplets from condensing on the surface and forming water droplets. Furthermore, the high refractive index of water can also cause dirt on the glass surface to be surrounded by water molecules, making it easier to clean. In addition, the surface tension of water can also disperse the dirt on the glass surface, making cleaning easier. The magic of soaking glasses is that this method not only makes the glasses clearer, but also prolongs the life of the glasses, reduces scratches on the glass surface, and makes the glasses more comfortable. In addition, this method is very simple and convenient. Almost inexpensive, anyone can easily try it. Now you can wipe the glasses clean. This is the last and most important step in the whole cleaning process. Don't think that just rinsing the detergent and toothpaste directly with water is enough. This washing also requires skill. First, turn on the water a little gently. Clean the foam on the glasses. Next, the important step is to wash the lenses in the same direction as the water flows. This way, there will be no water stains on the lenses. Now let's see if the lenses are clear. It is as bright as when you first bought it. After cleaning, just use a paper towel to dry all the water. Don't wipe hard, just rub gently, otherwise it will leave scratches, which is not good. and never use rough objects to wipe. This will scratch the glasses and leave scars. Glasses cleaning paper is not rough toilet paper. Absolutely do not use clothes to wipe glasses, let alone rough toilet paper. If used for a long time, it will wear out the lenses, affecting eyesight over time. It will make the vision deeper and harmful to the eyes. This is because the hardness of the lens material is relatively low and is especially susceptible to scratches. You need to protect it carefully at normal times. Use this method to wash your glasses to ensure that no matter how long you leave them, the glasses will not become foggy. However, you must remember to clean them regularly, almost every week or half a month. Anyone who needs to wash their glasses can see and try it. The effect is really amazing. For those who do not wash their glasses, do not wear glasses often, or are too busy, how can we clean them quickly? In fact, with today's busy life, we don't have much time to clean them carefully every day. At this time, we can use alcohol as a common cleaning agent. It has excellent disinfecting properties. We can use this spray to lightly spray a little on the lenses. However, be careful when using alcohol to clean glasses. You need to be careful not to use alcohol with too high a concentration. If you only have high-strength alcohol, you need to dilute it with water. Avoid getting it in your eyes to avoid eye irritation or damage discomfort to your eyes. You can prepare a bottle of alcohol with a higher purity. It is best to choose a colorless, odorless alcohol to avoid leaving odors or residues during use. Then use a clean, soft tissue to gently wipe the surface of the glasses. Especially both sides of the lenses should be wiped evenly and gently to ensure thorough cleaning. The results of cleaning lenses this way are surprisingly good. The dirt on the glasses is quickly cleaned, and the whole world seems clearer. If you are in need of a quick clean, try using it to clean your glasses. If you are not using your glasses, just store them in a storage case. You should also clean your glasses case periodically, because when you open the case, dust can still get in. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.